Welcome to my YouTube channel, Master Koi Media. Today we'll be talking about catfish production. This is the female catfish selected, a gravid female has been selected. Then these are the males. As you can see, they are gravid males too. This weighs about 3.5 kilo in weight, and the other weighs 1.5. You can see the papilla. The papilla is red at the tip of the papilla. That's the papilla. That's how to identify a male. That's the male fish. They are elongated and has a papilla. As you can see, the papilla is reddish. So the next thing to do is to extract the meat from the male fish, the male catfish. We're going to extract the milt, that is the sperm sac, from the male catfish. So now I'm going to dissect from the stomach side, that's the ventral side. I'm going to extract the sperm sac, also known as milt. So I've extracted two. Then I'll go for the second fish to extract. So most time the ratio of fertilization, for effective fertilization, the ratio is 2 male to 1 female, to be on the safer side. So there are sometimes you might dissect and you might not see a good sperm sac to fertilize the eggs. So it's advisable that you have extra males to fertilize. You can see the gravid male and the milt from it. So I'm trying to search for the second milt. The second milt. Yeah, got it. Yeah, that's the second milt. So I'm going to keep that aside. I'm going to keep it aside. So the next thing now is to extract the eggs from the female fish, the female catfish. So you can see, and I'm mounting some pressure to the belly part, so to push down the eggs. This is a very gravid female catfish. It has an over papilla, It has an over. So I'll keep mounting pressure until I exhaust all the gonads, the eggs in the female fish. So I'll keep mounting pressure. Keep mounting the pressure. Still mounting the pressure. so much pressure, not to disrupt any internal organ in the fish, since a female fish can be used over and over again. So I don't have to mount heavy pressure on the belly, not to rupture any internal organ. So while mounting the pressure, I also try to be careful. So now, after extracting the eggs, the next thing is to fertilize with the meat extracted earlier. So I'm going to dissect the meat and extract the juice in it. So I'll do that for every other sperm sac. So this is the process of fertilization. So I'm trying to fertilize the eggs. So this is the second sperm sac, also known as milk. So the third, because that's a pair, there's always a pair in each fish. So I'm gonna juice all the spermatozoa out of the sperm sac. So after that, the next thing, okay, this is the last sperm sac. So still on the process of fertilization. So I juice it out. Yeah. Then it's time to mix. So I'm gonna mix up, add a little water, and mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up gently. Ensure the spermatozoa enter the eggs to be fertilized. Shake it. Shake it very well. These eggs on the hatching tray or incubating nets. Sometimes you use cacabans, so but this is hatching tray, this is incubating tray or nets. So you spread the egg gently on the, ensure there is no overcrowding. Gently spread it. Just keep spreading it, and then when it's done, wait for 24 hours, less than 24 hours, depending on the temperature. The temperature determines when it's going to hatch. At least between 16 to 18 16 to 18 hours, the eggs will hatch into fries. So from there you start your post-action management, such as flow through, siphoning the deads, then feeding. So you keep the first 3 days, they are going to be fed artemia. So after artemia, then it can change to 0.2 feed. So most time we use coppers. So you keep them, nurture them until they grow, to fingerlings. Until they grow to fingerlings, and when they go to fingerlings, then post fingerlings, then juvenile. And keep, you feed them at that stage like 6 to 8 times in a day, until they grow. The more you feed them, the more they grow faster. And always try to avoid overfeeding, because overfeeding can stress the fish out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification button for more interesting videos.